Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best waterproof pouches for phones that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, JOTO Universal Waterproof Phone Pouch. Adventurers who prefer to travel light will like what JOTO's universal waterproof case has to offer, since it not only protects your smartphone but also has enough room inside for a few credit cards, cash, or even a slim wallet. This means you'll be able to head out for a day's worth of adventures with everything you need in one place. Large enough screen sizes of up to 6.9 inches, there's virtually no smartphone the JOTO case can't handle, and it's clear on both sides, so you'll be able to see what's on your screen and even access touchscreen controls, as well as taking photos and videos without any distortion. A simple snap and lock design makes it easy to get your smartphone out when you need to access it directly, while remaining water and dust proof when closed. The included neck strap also means you won't ever need to worry about how to carry it, even when you're wearing nothing more than a set of swim trunks. This one isn't floatable, and the open-close mechanism was confusing at first. You have to loop the prongs through the top of the case once your phone is inside. An order comes with 2 cases and 2 lanyards, and you can choose between a few colors: black, clear, aqua blue, pink. I'd take this one snorkeling or to a water park. An order comes with 2 cases and in a variety of colors, and the cases themselves are both waterproof and snow-proof. This one was the easiest to fit my phone in, so if you're at all concerned about dexterity or have a larger phone, it may be the best one for you. Number 2, Universal Waterproof Case Hiearcool Waterproof Phone Pouch. Then this case phone cover will work wonders for you. Made from robust PVC, one of the most unique features of this phone case is that it glows in the dark, a feature that's rare for any phone cover. So, you can never lose sight of your phone, no matter how dark or low light conditions exist underwater. If that wasn't enough, the case floats too, while remaining completely watertight and comes with a lifetime warranty. Rounding up its features is the fact that it boasts a universal size, which means that it'll fit all kinds and levels of Android, Samsung, and iPhones. Adding to the good design is the thin, clear window on both sides for easy usage. The cherry on top is the neck strap, which can be seriously handy when you're paddleboarding, snorkeling, or kayaking. Another wonderful waterproof phone pouch, the Hiearcool Universal Waterproof Phone Case, is usually sold either as a 2-piece pack or a 2-piece pack with a diving snorkel. The Hiearcool case is purposely made to work for people going river rafting, swimming, shallow diving, and general beach activities. Number 3, JOTO Waterproof Case Universal Phone Holder Pouch. The touchscreen worked easily and the camera was especially clear. That said, this one isn't floatable, and the open-close mechanism was confusing at first. You have to loop the prongs through the top of the case once your phone is inside. An order comes with 2 cases and 2 lanyards, and you can choose between a few colors: black, clear, aqua blue, pink. I'd take this one snorkeling or to a water park. The pick for a waterproof phone pouch is the JOTO Universal Waterproof Pouch. While it is usually sold as a 2-piece pack at a reasonable price, it does not mean that it is of bad quality. On the contrary, it is quite solid and holds up to even the worst physical damage. The pouch's seal is especially strong due to the dual closing latches. While it may not have the double PVC protection the case has, it has another good feature to make up for it. The JOTO pouch can store anything up to 7 inches tall and 4 inches wide inside itself. This means that almost any type of smartphone, along with valuables, can be stored without a problem. Number 4, ProCase Universal Waterproof Case Phone Dry Bag Pouch. At first, we were a bit skeptical of the universal phone case from ProCase. It feels flimsy. But the case held up across all tests, and we were impressed with its lightness and waterproofing. Along with the certified waterproofing to a depth of 100 feet, ProCase says its phone case is also snow and dirt-proof. Our testers liked how easy it was to use a phone inside the case when the case was both wet and dry. And while it didn't float to the top, our testers also appreciated the prong-style closure. We're always down for an adjustable and detachable lanyard, which this phone case includes. It lets the touchscreen work great. But the non-uniform texture of the cover means that photos may appear a tad hazy if you are not careful. At the same time, you'll have to ensure that there are no water droplets on top of the lens. Thankfully, Face ID works seamlessly on the ProCase dry bag, and several users have verified this claim. Last but not least, it's a durable and well-made case, and you get 2 pouches without spending a lot. Along with the certified waterproofing to a depth of 100 feet, ProCase says its phone case is also snow and dirt-proof. Our testers liked how easy it was to use a phone inside the case when the case was both wet and dry. And while it didn't float to the top, our testers also appreciated the prong-style closure. We're always down for an adjustable and detachable lanyard, which this phone case includes. Number 5 YOSH Waterproof Phone Case Universal Waterproof Phone Pouch. This waterproof phone pouch from YOSH is meager in price, yet scored at the top across multiple categories in our testing. The universal waterproof phone pouch from YOSH comes with an adjustable and detachable lanyard and features 2 clasps on each side to seal a phone within the case. Our testers noted how well phones worked while inside the pouch, but also noted phones did not work while submerged. And while the phone stayed totally dry during our testing, water did collect a bit inside the clasps, which the phone has to pass through as it's taken out. That put a few droplets of water on the phone when taking it out after being submerged, but it was nothing serious or damaging. Best choice waterproof phone pouch pick, we have the YOSH waterproof phone pouch. This one is a little bigger than the JOTO case and allows space for devices up to 7.5 inches tall instead of JOTO's 7 inches. The added 0.5 inches can give your devices a better leeway away from the seal to make them even stronger. Aside from that, the YOSH pouch also has rounded edges and a doubly secured top and bottom in case of physical damage. This rounding is also better for users that would need to use their phone's side buttons since the edges have been removed. If those features are not enough, the YOSH pouch also comes in 2-piece packs, so you can buy one and share it with a friend. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.